My name is Matt Cooper. I'm the Senior Executive Chef here at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I have about 10 chefs, full-time chefs, and then I have about 300 cooks that operate this building on event day. So last year, out of 365 days, we were dark 8 days out of the entire year. The first thing I heard was a vending machine for chef coats, and right away my ears perked up and I was like, all right, what's that about? Having this machine and the capability of not having to deal with passing out chef coats and the storage, that's another issue we would run into. Everyone loved the idea to be able to come in every day, get a fresh chef coat, turn it in at the end of the shift, and then get a fresh one the next morning. My partnership with Cintas is great. We have great communication. If there's ever an issue where we have a busier week than we intended, I'm able to just pick up the phone, have a conversation, and sometimes within 24 hours we have what I need. So having a program like this has really helped in enabling my staff to feel good, feel confident and comfortable, that they're always going to look the part and feel the part, and they have a clean chef coat every morning when they walk in. It doesn't get easier than being able to just tap your card, click on what size you want, and getting a chef coat out of that vending machine. Being able to present that, we are a stadium of innovation. So this is just kind of taking that to the next step, the next level. I know every day we're gonna have a clean looking chef coat on all of our employees, which is really nice.
My name is Tyler Hargrove, Senior Corporate Partnership Sales Manager with Arthur & Blank Sports Entertainment. From a major event standpoint, we've been able to host the best of the best, something that we're very, very proud of. When it comes to partnerships, it's all about the right fit. Our relationship and our partnership with Cintas is unique for a couple reasons. Cintas and their leadership got to know us as a business, but most importantly as people, first and foremost. They understood what our needs were, and they understood how they could potentially offer up solutions to be able to help with that. We are a giant organization with a giant stadium, and there are a lot of touch points and a lot of needs to be able to make this machine run. A partner like Cintas is allowing us to be a little more efficient with everything that we do, and it all comes back to a relationship, just understanding each other, understanding the needs, and being able to communicate what those needs are, and understanding how we can collectively come to a solution.
My name is Glenn Steverson. I'm Director of Purchasing here at Mercedes-Benz. I think what stood out the most to me about the garment dispensing unit is, number one, the biggest thing is that it existed. The program saved us money by spending less on uniforms and having a program, a full service program that we can use with structured pricing. It makes it easier for the team members to receive or to get jackets. The savings in time, the savings in team member hours spent, and the controls that you can do at the touch of a finger without even leaving your desk.
It starts with core values and understanding what is it about the organization that you could potentially be working with that constitutes a synergy and a potential relationship.
Good customer service, the technology works. It's one less thing on my plate to have to worry about.
Getting to know each other as people, and how does that translate to the business world?
Never have I seen a dispensing machine strictly for uniforms.
Partnering with Cintas really takes us to the next level.